Good afternoon, students. Welcome back in IT class. Dear students, please be regular in this class because IT is a very important subject and your future depends on this subject. So please don't avoid this and read this subject very carefully and very seriously. Today I am telling you the syllabus of term first. So please note it. Chapter 3rd, more on Ubuntu. Chapter 4th, tables in LibreOffice Writer. Worksheet first. Chapter 5th, objects in LibreOffice Writer. And our term first syllabus is completed. Now we will do revision of these chapters. Today we will do revision of chapter 3rd. More on Ubuntu. Ubuntu is one type of an operating system on which our computer runs. The task of managing files, folders and applications has been simplified in Ubuntu with the help of settings and trash feature. In this chapter we had studied about mainly two features, settings and trash features. Settings. Settings is a system folder that allows us to make changes in the appearance and current settings of Ubuntu. If we want to change any setting, any appearance, any background of Ubuntu, then we will select settings option. Now question arises, how can we open settings option? So first of all we will click on the show application button at the bottom side. आपके कंप्यूटर में bottom side में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में एक बटन होगा, दिस दैट इज कॉल्ड शो एप्लीकेशन बटन एंड यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट दैट बटन. द शो एप्लीकेशन स्क्रीन विल बी अपीयर्ड एंड देन you have to type in text box settings. Okay, this is the icon of setting and click on setting option. Setting screen will be appeared. Okay, now date and time together form an important part of the computer operating system. This settings has an option that allows us to change the computer's date and time. Incorrect date and time may cause hindrance in using some applications. We can set the time and date of the system manually or automatically. Now question arises, how can we change this? So first of all we will click on the settings and then we will select the date and time option. On the right pane of the date and time window, click on automatic date and time button to turn off the automatic date and time. अगर हम मैनुअली अपनी डेट एंड टाइम को सिलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं देन हम ऑटोमेटिक डेट एंड टाइम को टर्न ऑफ कर देंगे. ओके, देन वी विल सिलेक्ट द डेट एंड टाइम ऑप्शन प्रेजेंट इन द डेट एंड टाइम विंडो. आप अपने मैनुअली आप डेट एंड टाइम को सिलेक्ट करेंगे, सिलेक्ट द रिक्वायर्ड डेट एंड देन यू हैव टू चूज योर डेट एंड टाइम. ओके, एंड यू कैन यूज ऑटोमेटिक डेट एंड टाइम इफ यू आर कनेक्टेड टू इंटरनेट एंड चूज द करेक्ट टाइम जोन. If you have internet, then you can use automatic date and time. Otherwise, you can use manually date and time. You can change the manually date and time. Okay, now we will study about trash feature. Trash is the second feature of important, that is a very important part of Ubuntu. Okay, so trash is a system folder that temporarily stores deleted files or folders. We can recover deleted files or folders or delete them permanently from this system folder. Trash has a common icon present on the desktop. If a file is deleted, it automatically moves to the trash. If there are no file or folder in the trash, then its icon on the desktop shows like empty. Okay, and when a deleted file is moved to the trash, then its icon shows the filled trash. Okay, now trash has a common icon that is present on the desktop. Now restore deleted files. We can recover deleted all files or folders or delete them permanently. Now question arises, how can we restore a file? So first of all we will click on the trash folder and then we will open the trash folder. Right click on the item that whatever we want to delete and whatever we want to restore. If we want to restore, then we will select restore from trash, otherwise we will select delete from trash. Okay, so one message arises that are you sure you want to permanently delete? Yes, if you want to permanently delete करना चाहते हैं तो then you will select delete option, otherwise you will select cancel option. Okay, आपकी जो भी फाइल है वो परमानेंटली डिलीट हो जाएगी. अदरवाइज़ आपका जो ट्रैश फोल्डर है उसमें आपकी टेम्परेरी स्टोर रहती है वहाँ से आप डिलीट करना चाहते हैं परमानेंटली, देन यू कैन सिलेक्ट डिलीट फ्रॉम ट्रैश. एंड नाउ क्वेश्चन एक मैसेज अराइज होगा, आर यू श्योर यू वांट टू परमानेंटली डिलीट, देन यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट डिलीट ऑप्शन. ओके, एंड इफ यू वांट टू डिलीट an empty trash, then you can select empty trash. Okay, so this is the summary of chapter 3rd. If your chapter 3rd work is not completed, so complete your work of chapter 3rd. Here I am attaching PDF of chapter 3rd. So complete your question answers, complete your exercise in your book and notebook also, and read this chapter very carefully. In this chapter, if you have any query, any doubt, then you can ask me without hesitation. Please complete your work. Here I am attaching one PDF, so please complete your work. Okay, thank you.